Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you? Welcome you again in Pakistan International School 5. This is mathematics class, grade 2, and video number 17. Today, I will teach you page number 34 and 35. In last video, we discussed about ascending and descending order, and I hope now you know about the ascending and descending order. Page number 34 is about addition, and page number 35 is the revision. So let us start. This is page number 34. Look, addition. Pick a pair. Pick a pair. Pick a pair means, look, in this boxes, some numbers are given. So you will take number from these boxes, one number in one time, and you will use in your question. These are numbers are 22, 25, 7, 75, 12, 80. Work the numbers again with the above numbers. What number because look how 1, 11, 2, 4, this is 70. Look, it becomes 5. So plus 5 plus 0 is 7. 7, 8, 9, 12, 15. So this is 14. It means this number will use 75. Okay. So 70 plus 75. You will write here 75. Okay. So 70 plus 75 is equal to 145. Another way you can do this one. For example, if the one number, it is a rule, keep this rule in your mind. If the answer is given in addition only, if answer is given and one number is given, so you can find the other number by subtracting one number from total, from answer. Okay, for example, 145 minus 70. So if you do this one, so you can find the second number. Okay, so no need to do minus. You just write. If you cannot do orally, you write in the rough page of your notebook, write 70 and then try to add the numbers. Because answer is 145, it means it is near about the double of this one. So you try to big number to add in 70. Okay, so you write 70 and you write first, you write 80. If answer is more than, it means you take 75 and then like this. So when you will take 75, so answer will come. Okay, so look, that 5 plus 0, 5, and 7 plus 7, 14. Okay, next. C part, 10 plus dash is equal to 90. So look this one, look, because this is 90 and this is 10. So it is a big difference. It means the second number will be a big number, not like 20, 25, should be big. It may be 70, it may be 75, it may be 80, it may be 82. So there are four numbers. You will try to 70. 70 plus 10, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 7, 1, 8. It's not 8. It's look 80. 0 plus right here 10 plus 80. So after 80, count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So answer has come. Okay. So it means the second number is the 80. Okay. And the second method means you subtract 90 minus 10. 90 minus 10, you can get the answer. Okay. If you can subtract, so it is easy. 80 plus dash is equal to 110. So 80 plus, look, 110. It's mean the second number also, the first digit should be 0. So look this one. This is first digit 2. This is 5. Look, this is 0. So 0. Look, 30 plus 80. Look, 0 plus 0, 0. And 3 plus 8. 8. After 8, count 3. 9, 10, 11. And it is also 11. So it's mean 80 plus 30. 80 plus 30, 110. And what is the second method? 110 minus 80. It is also answer will come 30. Okay. So you can use any one method, no problem. E, 24 plus dash is equal to 55. So focus on the answer. This is 5. Answer first digit, both are 5. So it's mean, but this is in first number, the first digit is 4. So it's mean the second number, first digit should be 1. So where is the 1? Look, this is first digit 2, this is 5, this is 0, this is 1. Okay. So try to add 1 plus 4, 5, and 3 plus 2, 5. So it's mean 31 will come here. Okay. So use your mind here. Okay. Keep things in your mind and then try to calculate, subtract, addition, no problem. The second way, what is the second way? 55 minus 24, also answer will come 31. You can answer. 10 plus dash is equal to 22. So the answer, look, the first digit 2, it's mean this, in answer first digit 2. So in first number, first digit 0, which means the second number, first digit should be 2. So where is the first digit? This is already 22. No, 5, 0. This is, look, this one, 12. The first digit 2. So 2 plus 0, 2, and 1 plus 1, 2. So what will come here? 12. What will come here? 12. So 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. G part, dash plus 70 is equal to 100. Okay. So it's mean the second number is given, first number is not given. So first number, first digit should be 0. So look this one, where is the 0? Look this is first digit 0. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 3 plus 7, 10. So it's mean 30. So look, 30 comes second time. In D part also 30, and again in G part 30. So 30, 70, 100. And the second method, 100 minus 70, the answer will come 30, and you can write here 30. H part. 12 plus dash is equal to 82. Answer is, first you check how many difference between the first given number and the answer. Here look, the first given number is very small and the answer is very big. It means second number will be a big number, not a small. Okay. 22 small, small, small. This one. Look this one. Try to 70. 12 plus 12, 70 plus 12. 0 plus 2, 2, and 7 plus 1, 8. So it means 70 will come. You keep in your mind different things. First you check what is the answer. What is the difference between the given number and the answer? How many difference? If the difference is small, it means the second number also will be small. Okay. If the difference is big, the second number. If the first number, given number is small, the second number will be big. If given number is big, the second number will be small. Okay. The second thing, also check the digits. First, you check the first digit of the answer and also compare first digits of both numbers. Okay. So what will come here? 70. 70, 70. iPod. 12 plus dash is equal to 25. These are, it's mean answer is 5. Sorry. And the first digit of the answer 5. So focus on the first digits. This is first digits given number 2. It's mean the second number first digit should be 3. Look this one. Look this one, 13. Okay, so 13 will come here. 3 plus 2 5 and 1 plus 1 2. Okay, if you keep these things in your mind, so you can do easily. But if you cannot do this one, so very simple, use the method of subtraction. Answer minus first number, answer minus second number. Like if you answer minus first number, you can find second number. Answer minus second number, you can find first number. Okay, but these things you will do in the rough copy, not will do in the book or in the fair copy. J part, 19 plus dash is equal to 101. Look again, the given number is small, answer is very, very big. It means the second number will be also big. Okay, not very, very big, but big. So 19, the answer, look, focus on the first digit of the answer 1. Again, focus on the first digit of the given number. So it's mean 9, after 9, try to 10, 11. So it's mean the given number, the second number will be, which one here? Look, 4 big numbers, 70, 75, 80, 82. So 82 will come here because this is 2, this is 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Okay. So 82 will come here. K part. Dash plus 31 is equal to 61. This is half. First, the given number is half of the answer. So focus again. The first digit of the answer, this is 1. And also this is 1. It's mean the second number, first digit should be 0. And it is 30. 1 plus 0, 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 75 plus dash is equal to 85. It's mean the given number is big and answer is also big. It means second number will be small. So look, first you focus on the answer. The first digit of the answer is 5 and also the first digit of the given number is 5. It means the second number first digit should be 0. So look this one, which small number is 0? This is 10. Okay, so 10 will come here. We have 75 plus 80 plus 10 is equal to 85. M part, 5 plus dash is equal to 85. What very big difference. This is 5, very, very small number. 85, very big number. It means the second number. So look this one. How many? 82 plus 5. 83, 84, 85, 87, 86, 87. So it's not. Check 80. After 80 count. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Okay, it means 80 will come here. So you can use different ways. Okay, dash plus 70 plus 9. It's the answer is big. The second given number also gave. This means first first number will be small. So this is answer. First digit 5. Given number first digit 0. It's mean the first digit first number digit will be 5. So it is which one? 25 and 15. So you can use first check 25. 5 plus 0, 5 and 2 plus 7, 9. So 25 will come here. Okay. O part, 12 plus dash is equal to 27. So focus on the answer. The first digit of the answer 7 and the first digit of the given number is 2. So it's mean after two count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's mean first digit of the other number should be 5. So to check, this is 75, this is big, this is 15. So 15 will come here. And the last one, P part, 5 plus dash is equal to 27. So look, 5 plus 27. So this is 27, this is 5, and you can do this one. Check, this is 22, first number, 20, after 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, because the first digit of the answer 7 and it is 5, it means the second number first digit should be 2, and it is 22, and also 12, because then if you will add 5 into 12, it will become 17. So 22 is our second number. Okay, so in this way you can do, and you can also check with the help of subtraction method your answer is correct or not correct. Okay guys, page number 35. There are different first questions, because this is a review. Write in hundreds, tens, and ones. You have already done these ones. The first examples are given. 351. So 3 hundreds, comma, 5 tens, comma, 1 ones. So B part 693. So what will come? 6 hundreds, 9 tens, and 3 ones. Okay? Right. 6 hundreds, okay, comma, 9 tens, comma, 3 ones. Okay? C part 409. 409. 4 hundreds, 0 tens, 9 ones. Okay, right here. 4 hundreds, 0 tens, 9 ones. C part 984. So 9 hundreds, 8 tens, 4 ones. Right? 9 hundreds, 8 tens, 4 ones. Okay, in this way you will write. It is very easy. Question 2. What number does the abacus show? Look this one. This is hundreds, this is tens, this is 2. So look this one, count how many air beads here. 1, 2, right? 2. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 3. How many? This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. B part. Look this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 1, 2, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So write under this one, write 6, write 2, write 8. Look this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 4. It is nothing, write 0, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 0, 6. 4, 0, 6. This is 4, you write 4. This is 0, nothing, you write 0. This is 6, you write 6. And the last one, this is 1. How many? 1, write 1. This is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write 5. Oh, sorry, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just count and write. Okay. So it becomes 628. This is 406. And 185. Okay. This is hundreds. This is tens, and this is ones. 3. Question number 3. Write the number that or. This is easy, but just understand what he is saying. Look this one. Write the number that or greater than. You read here, greater than. This is the sign of symbol of greater than. Greater than 688 and less than 695. 695. So after 6, greater than 688, after 88 will come 89, 689, 690, 691, 692, 693, 694. Okay, it is given. B part, less than. Look, focus on the symbol. Less than 800 and greater than 790. 790. So before 800, what come? 799, 798, 797, 796, 795, 794, 793, 792, and 790. This is last because the greater than, not equal, greater than. Okay, less than 800. Less than 800 mean 799. After 799, what, which number comes? 800. Then to come down, 798, 797, 796, 795, 794, 793, 792, 791. Okay. C part, again, less than 554 and greater than 547. Okay, so less than 54, 53, 553, 552, 551, 550, 549, 548. And after 47, 47 is here given. So not be greater than this one. So last number will be 548. Okay, look this one, 553. This is the less number than 54. 552, 551, 550, 549, and 548. Okay, is saying greater than 47, so it is the greater. Okay, so it is very easy. But if you understand the question, what he is saying. Question number 4, write greater than or less than in the boxes. You have do this practice a lot. I hope you understand. A part, this is 496, 492. First focus on the hundred. This is 4, 4, 9, 9. Both are equal. Then go on the ones. This is 6, this is 2. So 6 is greater. It means the first number is greater. So use the greater symbol. Understand? People. 638 and 599. This is 6, this is 5. So hundreds are different. So 6 is greater than the 5, which means the first number is greater. So use the greater symbol. 237, 231. 2, 2 equal, 3, 3 equal, 7, 1. 7 is greater than 1, it means first number is greater, so use the greater symbol. Very easy. 531 and 351. 5, 3. 5 is greater than 3, it means the first number is greater. Again, use the greater symbol. E, 109 and 190. 1, 1 equal, 0, 9. 0, the difference in the 10. 0 is less than 9, it means the first number is less. Use the less symbol. 385, 496, 3 in, this is 3, this is 4, so it is difference in the hundreds. So 3 is less than 4, it means the first number is, sorry, here come the less symbol. Okay, here come the less symbol. This is by mistake, so you will write here less symbol. Okay, so don't write the greater symbol here. This is the 385 is less than 496. You write the less symbol. You mean the symbol which you will write, you will use in EPOT. So also today we will do the backwards counting. Okay, use this one. Do it again. Okay, boys. So this will come here. 385 is less than 496. Okay, this is less. It is before it is written by mistake greater than, because 3 is less than 4. So it is less symbol we will use here. Okay, understand? Now we will do the backward counting. This is the backward counting mean you come back, come back, reverse you can say, like I 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so today we'll just 30 to 1. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no problem. You make 5 boxes in one line, 4 boxes, no problem. Okay, it's upon you, and you check. First, you make the 30 boxes, and you check this is 30, no extra, no less, no. So then you check from the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So in this way, you can check you write correctly or not. Okay, so it is very easy. I think you have done in this one in the class 1. So this is your revision. It may or may not confirm. So come in exam. So but you know what the backward counting mean, come down. Okay, come down and come down in a proper way. So now your homework to page number 34, 35 in the book, and write backward counting where in the notebook. And also you revise the table, and you are in class 2 now. So at least you finish your table learning from 9, table number 2 to 9, and learning by heart. Okay, don't learn on the finger. Some why learn on the finger? No, learning. And when I teach, say you read, you can read quickly, because when you will do multiplication questions, division question, so you will use table, and not only in higher classes, you will use in your uh, question. So this is page number 34, and this is page number 35, and in this way you make the, this is 30 boxes. Okay, cells you can say, make table like this, and then you start writing. Okay, I hope you understand. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video, and maybe next video will be the last video, and after that revision will be start. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.